In this video, I am going to teach you how you can record and edit audio on your phone professionally. So stay tuned till the very end of this video, and without any further ado, let's just dive into this video. This video is divided into 3 sections. In section number 1, I will teach you how you can record proper audio on your phone in order to professionally edit it. In section number 2, we will go through the app which we will be using to edit audio on our phone. And in section number 3, we will edit a short audio clip recorded earlier in this video. So we will be using Dolby On to record the audio and Lexus Audio Editor to edit the audio. Both of these apps are absolutely free to download and use. Firstly, open up Dolby On to record the audio. Now tap on the center microphone icon to start recording. Then a countdown of 3 seconds will begin. During these 3 seconds, please be silent because app will use these 3 seconds audio to automatically eliminate background noise. After recording your audio, open your audio track inside Dolby On. Now tap on the tools icon located at the bottom right corner. And from here you can reduce background noise from the audio. And from here you can also change audio style from natural to deep. And you can also personalize other options here. Now tap on share and here tap on save audio. And your audio track will be exported successfully. Now secondly, let's go through the Lexus Audio Editor's app interface. On opening up the app, you will see this old school interface which is not very fascinating but can do the job for us. On the top left corner, you will see open and save buttons which are pretty much self-explanatory. On opening up the audio file, it will be visible on the timeline. And at the timeline, you can see a red line which is our playhead, which can be moved around with the help of this blue slider at the bottom. And you can also double tap on any part of the audio to quickly move your playhead. And on the top of the timeline, you will have your in and out sliders to basically select a particular part of your audio, to delete it or to add effects to it. And on the top you can see 2 rectangles which shows audio sensitivity. Then here you have your play and pause button. Then these 2 buttons to basically record audio, but we will not use this feature to record audio because we had already recorded our audio from Dolby On. And beside that you have your stop button. And under this button you have your loop button to basically play a selected part of the audio in loop. And beside open and save button, you have your zoom in and zoom out buttons to basically zoom in and zoom out. And that 3 dot icon takes you to effect, silence, cut, copy, delete, etc. Now we will edit the audio. So firstly import the audio clip recorded earlier. Now carefully select the part of the audio which you want to remove using these in and out sliders. You can also zoom a bit for convenience. After selecting the unwanted part, tap on the 3 dot menu. Here tap on delete. Likewise repeat the process. After removing all the unwanted parts, you will have a clear audio track like this. So here is an before and after comparison. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can record and edit professional quality audio on your mobile device. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can record and edit professional quality audio on your mobile device. Now audio sounds a lot better, but it is still not sharp and clear. Now just normalize the whole clip by tapping on the 3 dot menu to basically equalize highs and lows of the audio. Now tap on the 3 dot menu, here tap on effects, then tap on equalizer to add bass to your audio. Now play around these settings to find the sweet spot for your audio. And feel free to copy my settings. After that, apply the effect. Now normalize the audio once more. After normalizing, now tap on save to export your audio clip. Here you have to select the export format which your video editor supports. But you can select MP3 anyway because it is universally supported by all editors. So here is an before and after comparison. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can record and edit professional quality audio on your mobile device. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can record and edit professional quality audio on your mobile device. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the information you were seeking for. If found, then consider to like this video. If you want to see similar content in future, then do consider subscribing, and peace out.